So here's how debt works. There is no statute of limitations on debt. If you owe Bank of America $1,000 today, you will owe Bank of America $1,000 for the rest of your life until you either pay it or you file bankruptcy. Now, there's a statute of limitations on how long they can go with suing you. There's a statute of limitations how long they can put it on your credit report. There's statute of limitations where they can send you a 1099, so you have to pay taxes on it. And yes, that's right. If you don't pay that debt and they send a 1099 to you, you have to pay income tax on it because it's income. And by the way, you still owe the debt for the rest of your life. So the only way to get rid of it is either pay it. I'm not saying to pay full price. I'm just saying pay it or file bankruptcy. So yes, you're still going to owe it, but it's no longer in your credit report. If it's past the statute of limitations, which varies between state to state, most states are 6 months. Most of them, if you haven't been sued within 2 years, you most likely won't get sued. I'm going to go out and say 95% of the time, if you haven't been sued within 4 years of paying them, you won't get sued.